Hello, my friends. I'm going to share about coughing, cough, some medicines, some remedies, and we differentiate the symptoms. The causticum. Causticum inability rise the mucus with sensation, soreness, and rawness, as well as while coughing, pain in the hip joint, relieved by sipping cold water. That is causticum. Causticum during coughing, involuntary urination. That is also causticum. Now, the very common medicine and common symptoms. When coughing, pain, severe pain in the head, bursting headache, it would burst. The patient would cry out and grabs head with both hands at every cough. Cure quickly with the medicine capsicum. Capsicum is the main medicine. Now, I will tell you if heart, head, chest, hold them with hand. That is, you will find bryonia. Bryonia cough is dry and nectum salp it is loose. Bryonia cough is dry, nectum salp is loose. But bryonia pain in the right chest as well as calicarp also. But pain in the left chest with cough is nectum salp. But nectum salp is loose cough, bryonia is very dry. Calicarp aggravating in the early morning and stitching pain in the right chest. After influenza, you can give the medicine Stictapal. Stictapal is the best medicine after influenza. Now the medicine is Barbascum. Barbascum medicine is very common. Cough deep, hollow, words with sound like trumpet. So this is Barbascum. As well as many old ages persons come to us for chronic bronchitis, cough with great accumulation of mucus, which seems to fill the chest with much rattling, wheezing, difficult breathing, especially valuable with old people. The medicine is Senega. Senega is the best medicine. Now, the Drosera. Drosera has a deep sounding, hoarse, barking, and trumpet toned cough, something like that of Barbascum. There is more laryngeal trouble with Drosera. Drosera is also a leading remedy in spasmodic cough, whooping cough. With the cough, there is great constriction of the chest and abdominal muscles also. Patient hold them with hand. The cough is worse after midnight. This is all in the Drosera. Now, the medicine is Corallium rubrum. Spasmodic like whooping cough. It is continual, short, hawking throughout the day. So constant, frequent as to have merited the description minute guns. This is during the day. There is not much whooping, but at night there is whooping. The night paroxysm are sometimes very severe. That is Corallium rubrum. Post-nasal catarrh with much dropping of mucus in the throat. That is also Corallium rubrum. When after a long cold, a long continued cough is the consequence, or it may be after an attack of pneumonia, the patient seems as if coming into consumptions. There is profuse expectorations from low down deep into the chest with pain through to between the shoulder. This side is sternum side. Chest is very short, and that is the medicine is Kali iode. The medicine is Kali iode. This is all about the medicine for coughing. Thank you.